Top 5 car manufacturers in Africa by Africans. A deep dive into automotive innovation. Africa, a continent known for its rich culture, diverse landscapes, and incredible potential, is also making waves in the automotive industry. And in this particular video, we are going to explore 5 remarkable car manufacturers who are not only changing the game, but are also African-owned and operated. These companies are proving that Africa can stand tall in the global automotive market. And so, help me to dive into the top 5 car manufacturers in Africa, which are truly by Africans. And if this is something that you're interested in, don't forget to smash on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell to be part of this amazing family. My name is Shimano Clever. Let's get started. First on our list is Innoson Manufacturing, or what we popularly call as IVM, hailing from Nigeria. Founded by Innocent Ifedioso Chukwuma in 2007, Innoson is Nigeria's first indigenous car manufacturer. The company has made significant strides in producing affordable, durable, and locally assembled vehicles for the Nigerian market and beyond. Innoson's lineup includes cars, buses, trucks, and SUVs tailored to meet the unique demands of African roads and conditions. What actually sets IVM apart is its focus on durability, affordability, and functionality. These vehicles are designed to withstand the often harsh driving conditions in Nigeria, featuring reinforced suspension, robust chassis, and engines optimized for fuel efficiency. The company has also partnered with governments and private sectors to supply vehicles for various needs, making it a vital player in Nigeria's economic development. Innoson's commitment to quality, innovation, and affordability will be key drivers as the company continues to grow. And with a clear focus on the future, IVM is not just building vehicles, it's building a legacy for generations to come. With a vision to reduce Africans' reliance on imported vehicles, Innoson is leading the charge in local automotive production, employing thousands and contributing to Nigeria's industrial growth. Next, we are moving to explore Kantanka Automobile in Ghana, a pioneering company founded by Apostle Joseph Kantanka. What makes Kantanka unique is its commitment to integrating African culture and technology. The company produces a range of vehicles, from SUVs to saloon cars, that are not only functional but also symbolize African pride. Kantanka Automobile offers a diverse range of vehicles, each designed with the African consumer in mind. The company's lineup includes Kantanka Omama, a robust pickup truck perfect for Ghana's rugged terrains, and the Kantanka Onantefo, a stylish SUV that combines luxury with practicality. Other vehicles include Kantanka K71, Kantanka Odeneho, Kantanka Mwanima, Kantanka Mensa, and many more. What actually sets Kantanka vehicles apart is their blend of modern technology with local craftsmanship. For example, the Kantanka Onantefo is equipped with advanced safety features, a comfortable interior, and an exterior design that reflects the Ghanaian cultural motifs. Innovation is also at the core of Kantanka's mission. The company has pioneered several technological advancements, including electric vehicles and vehicles equipped with solar energy capabilities. Kantanka's commitment to research and development is driving the future of automotive technology in Ghana and beyond. Kantanka vehicles are known for their robustness, making them suitable for Ghana's challenging terrains. The vehicles are built to withstand the unique challenges of African roads, offering durability, reliability, and affordability. Kantanka Automobile is more than just a car manufacturer. It's a symbol of Ghana's potential and Africa's promise. Through innovation, cultural pride, and economic impact, Kantanka is driving Ghana, and indeed Africa, towards a brighter and more sufficient future. Moving to the northern part of Africa, we find Laraki Motasa, which is Morocco's luxury car manufacturer. Founded by designer Absalam Laraki in 1999, the company initially started by designing luxury yachts by transitioning into the high-end automotive market. Laraki Motors manufacturing operations are based in Morocco, where the company produces its vehicles with an emphasis on craftsmanship and attention to detail. The company has carved out a niche in the global automotive market with its distinctive blend of cutting-edge technology and opulent design. Headquartered in Casablanca in Morocco, Laraki Motors aims to compete with other luxury car manufacturers by delivering exclusive and meticulously crafted vehicles. Laraki Motors is synonymous with luxury, performance, and exclusivity. The brand has produced several models, including the Laraki Epitome and Laraki Fulgura, which are hypercars that have drawn international attention to their futuristic designs and incredible performances. The Laraki Fulgura, or Laraki Fulgura, introduced in 2005, is one of the company's flagship models. This high-performance sports car is powered by a V12 engine and features a design that is both bold and distinctive. The Fulgura exemplifies Laraki Motors' commitment to blending powerful engineering with striking aesthetics, setting it apart on the competitive sports car market. The Epitome is also renowned for its extreme capabilities, driven by a twin-turbo V8 engine that delivers unparalleled power and acceleration. The model's design reflects the company's dedication to crafting vehicles that not only perform at the highest level but also offer a unique and opulent driving experience. Though catering to a niche market, Laraki Motors showcases African excellence in the luxury automotive sector, proving that Africa can compete with global giants in the production of high-performance ultra-luxury vehicles. Coming back to Nigeria is to talk of Nord Automobile. Nord Automobile is a relatively recent entrant into the automotive industry, and it's another rising star in the African automotive industry. Founded by Oluwatobi Ajayi, Nord Automobiles aims to make high-quality, affordable vehicles accessible to more Africans. Nord Motors was established with a vision of revolutionizing the automotive industry by integrating advanced electric vehicle technology with high-performance engineering. The founders, driven by a commitment to sustainability and innovation, aim to produce vehicles that not only offer exhilarating performance but also align with the growing demand for environmentally friendly transportation solutions. One of the company's notable models is the Nord Volt, an electric sports car that has garnered significant attention since its introduction. Launched in 2021, the Nord Volt combines sleek design with impressive performance metrics, powered by a state-of-the-art electric drivetrain. The Volt delivers rapid acceleration and a smooth, quiet driving experience. Its design emphasizes aerodynamic efficiency and futuristic aesthetics, reflecting Nord Motors' commitment to both performance and style. Another key model from Nord Motors is the Nord Aurora, a luxury electric SUV introduced in 2023. The Aurora represents the company's foray into the luxury segment, offering a spacious and opulent interior alongside cutting-edge electric powertrain technology, with a focus on providing a premium driving experience while maintaining sustainability. The Aurora features advanced driver assistance systems and a range of innovative amenities designed to enhance comfort and convenience. Nord Automobiles is rapidly expanding its presence in West Africa, with plans to become a significant player in the continent's automotive sector. Their commitment to innovation and quality is setting new standards for what African car manufacturers can achieve. Finally, we head to East Africa, where Mobius Motors is making a significant impact in Kenya. Founded by Joel Jackson, Mobius Motors was born out of a need for affordable, reliable, and rugged vehicles that could handle the rough and often unpaved roads of rural Kenya. Mobius Motors, founded in 2010, is an innovative automotive company headquartered in Nairobi, Kenya. Mobius Motors seeks to address the unique transportation challenges faced in many developing regions by offering practical and cost-effective solutions. The Mobius 2, the company's flagship model, is a testament to this vision. It's a durable SUV designed specifically for Africans' unique driving conditions. The Mobius 2 features a robust design suited for off-road conditions, making it an ideal choice for both urban and rural environments. With a focus on simplicity and reliability, the Mobius 2 is designed to be easy to maintain and repair, addressing the practical needs of its target market. This model represents the company's commitment to producing a vehicle that is not only affordable but also highly durable and versatile. Another significant model is the Mobius 3, which was unveiled in 2018. Building on the success of the Mobius 2, the Mobius 3 offers enhanced features and improvements while maintaining the company's core values of affordability and durability. The Mobius 3 includes upgraded amenities and a more refined design, catering to the evolving needs of consumers while staying true to the brand's mission of providing practical and accessible transportation. Through models like the Mobius 2 and Mobius 3, the company is addressing the unique transportation needs of its target market, offering vehicles that are well suited to both urban and rural environments. As Mobius Motors continues to innovate and expand its offerings, it is well positioned to play a key role in improving mobility and transportation in Africa. Now, these 5 companies represent the future of automotive manufacturing in Africa, and each one is a beacon of innovation, resilience, and African pride. They are not just building cars, they are building legacy that will drive Africa into a new era of industrial growth and self-reliance. As Africans continue to develop, these homegrown car manufacturers will play a crucial role in shaping the continent's economic landscape. So, whether it's the rugged durability of Mobius Motors or the luxurious allure of Laraki, these companies are proving that African ingenuity knows no bounds. If you really enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. And also, let me know your comments in the comment box. Which African car manufacturer impressed you the most? And so, thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next episode of Success.